I'll do it myself. I'll do it. Huh? Yeah, I know. Ang bilis. So guys, hindi pa rin nag-stop yung snow hanggang bukas pa ito ng umaga. Be careful your steps in there. Did you unplug anything here? Kailangan ko lang bantayan si Tommy habang nagpa-plow siya kasi you know, takot ako guys. Palagi akong nakabantay sa kanya. Ano man yan eh? Anong ginawa niya still? Yun, yung snow, wala pa rin katapusan. Hanggang bukas pa ito. Pero nagme-melt siya guys. Nagbe-build up siya, pero nag-melt. Hindi ko magets. So. Okay. Ano? Yun yung buhay ng... buhay dito, buhay. Hala, tignan nyo yung ano ko. Down na down talaga. Color key. Yung kapitbahay namin. Ito yung ginawa ko. Huwag masyadong ano tayo. Yung garden ko. Color key. Oh God. Basang-basa. Ang snow walang katapusan. Still keep going. Hey. Let's go walk over there.
What?
Let's go to walk to the mountain. Oh, you need to get a real coat. Han?
Yeah.
Before we go walking. And also a higher boots. That boots oh. Hey. That boots. Can I close this thing now? Okay guys, tapos na. And then, basang-basa po ako. Basang-basa, tanan, lahat. Dito lang ako sa labas. Kasi sobrang basa. Dito tayo. Kasi nagbasa-basa. Basa talaga. And then, ang ganda ng snow. Grabe guys. Ang ganda. At come on. So, punta kami dun sa kabukiran guys. Look at this guys. Boom. Boom. Punta kami dun sa bukid. Oops. Oops. Tara. You have to put that in your head. The thing. Hey. Hello. Punta sana kami doon sa ibabaw kaso.
What? Yeah, but the phone's gonna get wet. I actually love to play in the snow. I don't know why my wife got to sit so far away. Go meet your mama. Throw a handful of snow at her.
Dami.
Throw a handful of snow at her. Why is it so dark? The white balance is all wacky because of the snow. That's why you look so dark, because of the white behind you.
I don't see anything.
Because you didn't do it right.
Huh?
You didn't do it right.
Okay, right here.
Go deeper. Oh, she's digging the snow up. Ah, now she's going to mess up your angel.
Where is Roxy going?
She's above you digging
Wait, what are you doing?
by your head.
What is she doing?
She says, I'll dig you out, Mama. I'll dig you out. Don't worry, I got you. I'll dig you out of that snow.
It's nice, son. I like the snow. It's nice big flake.
You're very dark in this camera.
Huh?
You're very... You need to adjust the settings on the camera for this.
Huh?
You need to adjust the settings on the camera first.
Don't let Roxy in, huh? I'm gonna let her in over here. Come on, Roxy. Roxy, right here. In this way. So, ngayon guys, nagpakain ako ng mga ibon. Mostly yung mga maliliit na ibon at saka yung cardinal yung pinapakain ko. At ito namang mga itim na ibon, sobrang aggressive nila. So, kaya pakinggan ninyo. Galit na galit yung ibon kasi tinataboy ko sila. O tinataboy ko sila guys kasi buong baryo po sila kapag kumakain, inaaway nila yung cardinal at saka yung sobrang liit na ibon, kaya yun. Itong asawa ko, buti na lang naabutan ko. Alis na daw sana siya, pero buti na lang bumalik siya sa loob kasi nagising daw ako. Ang aga niya, ang aga. Alis na din. Eh, what happened? Hala, Roxy. When did she eat it?
Last night I put it whole.
Oh my God, Roxy.
She's being a pig now. So
That's
now
why she wake you up.
I can't do that anymore.
That's why she wake you up. She want to pop. Did she
Wake
pop?
me up every day.
Did she pop?
No. She just wakes me up because she's a pain in the ass.
Did you let her oyote before?
Yeah. And then, of course, I went to the refrigerator to make sandwiches, and then everybody was here.
Mm-hmm.
And Misty was the first one.
Misty went oyote too?
No. As soon as I put the cold cuts away, she disappeared and went back around.
You drive careful, huh?
I always try.
Ay,
Oh, I got to the garbage house.
don't worry about it. I'll do it. How far we come, baby. Might take a long way. Buti na lang naalala ko Friday. So kapag Friday kasi walang karne. So ngayon, ipagluto natin si Mr. sa paborito niyang, well actually pasta lang naman ito, no? Macaroni salad. So yun lang. And sineseason ko lang, simple lang naman itong mga seasoning na mga garlic and onion powder and mayonnaise and mustard and kaunting vinegar and kaunting lemon. So, yun lang siya. And nakalimutan ko guys, kailangan pala ito lagyan ng egg, no? So, ngayon, nagboil ako ng egg. Duda na talaga ako sa itlog guys para naman itong mga plastic na mga itlog na ito. Anyway, so yun, minimix-mix ko lang siya para naman masaya yung mister natin pag uwi mamaya. Kasi, wala din, meron akong karne dyan pero Iwan ko, hindi talaga yun kakain. So, ganito yung buhay. Kapag buryong-buryo at walang kasama, nanonood ng movie, kumakain ng cereal, yun yung dinner ko, hapunan. Ah, diba? Sobrang healthy. He is home and he doesn't wanna eat. You don't wanna eat nothing?
Oh, I just gotta get oriented first.
Huh?
I just want to get settled first. You didn't eat steak.
That's for you, I told you. I ate half of it. Okay, let's go night-night then. Kakain pa ata ito. The macaroni. You have macaroni there. Nahiya pala siya guys, o hindi siya kumakain kasi nagpa-vlog daw ako. Ito, ginoo ko itong asawa ko talaga. Sobrang mahiyain, pati sa pag-vlog, mahiya kumain. But anyway, kumain siya pagkatapos kung mag-vlog yun, nilabas niya yung macaroni salad. Masaya naman talaga siya kasi mayroong macaroni salad. Ano? Paborito niya yan. Meron pa siyang mga hinahanap. Meron siyang nahukay doon na chicken. Sabi pa niya, ba't hindi ko daw nakain yung chicken? Nakalimutan ko kasi guys, na may chicken pala doon. At saka yun, macaroni salad yung kainin daw niya. At saka yung milk daw. Inom daw siya ng milk. Sinabihan ko pala siya guys na wag nakakain ng marami kasi matulog na kami. Delikado, diba? Kasi maraming alam nyo na. So ngayon guys, ibang araw na po ito. The next day. At saka naglilinis ako. So kaya kinuha ko yung mga bulaklak ng mga fake. Ang dami ko kasing fake na bulaklak, no? Inarinse ko siya and then tinapon ko yung ayaw ko. And then nagtira lang ako dito sa vase ng mga iba't ibang kulay na rosas. Ganito lang naman ako kapag boryo. Walang magawa ba? Wala ako masyadong maisip. And then itong asawa ko, paalis na kasi din. So ayusin lang natin konti kasi paalis na siya. Ang daming buhok. Nag-shave pala. Pagwapo si Dodo. Where are you going now? Huh? Where's your laptop bag? Okay. I carry this painful bag. It's just really heavy. I love you.
Love you too. Why don't you give me a bag?
No, go. And I can imagine that's why you're in pain, hon. You should have the laptop.
Part of it.
No, but the laptop is not supposedly be heavy. But you put a lot of junk here. Correct. Where are you gonna put this? Huh? Over here? Floor?
Yep. Now,
Huh?
give me 2 checks in there.
Oh, there's two chick. Why is two?
One from the
Greek.
Linux Society and one from Roger.
What is Linux Society?
Greek.
Oh. Okay. No, go walk. Open the garage. Lily, hi. Hi, where are you going? Lily, where are you going? Ang damo-damo na snow. Snow na ang damo-damo. Hindi pa nahibis kasi sobrang ginaw pa. Si Takmi ay. Sobrang ginaw. Hindi nahihilis. Did you close the garage? I'll do it myself. I'll do it. Huh? Yeah, I know. No, he's not. Bye. Love you too. Drive careful. Drive careful. Yeah. Drive careful.
Yep, I'll try.
Please then.
Fine.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hang on.
Good night. Why you say good night? Drive careful, hon.
Yeah.
Talk to you later, okay? Bye. Yeah, I will. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ito ang tigas ng is. Tumigas talaga siya. Okay. Asan kaya yun si Lily? Lily! William! Hi, baby. How are you? Oh, baby, it's cold out here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ay, chusang baby. Chusang baby. Baby. Oh, you smell good, cat. Hmm? You smell good. We going eh. Bye. Bye, Lee. So yun, pauwi na si Liam at ako naman nandito ako dadaan sa aking garahian kasi po nakalock po yung front door. So yun guys, salamat pala sa inyong pag-click. Iniwan na naman ako si Candy ni Mister. So yun, salamat sa pag-click, salamat sa pag-follow. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye!